Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing Stranded Deep. And I tried this before and it didn't work. But now it does, I guess, which is good. And this is a new game, so I don't know what to expect. Well, it's not a new game, it's an old game, but I never played it before. Hopefully it's easy controls, hopefully. But I'm gonna do 'Tis the Season. It's stupid, but I'm gonna do Subnautica videos because I just downloaded that today. But first, I'm gonna play some Stranded Deep because I've never played it before. Cleaning up, loading, cleaning up, loading, cleaning up, loading. Cleaning up, loading, cleaning up, loading, cleaning up, loading, cleaning up, loading, loading scene, loading, loading scene, loading. Clones are optional and can be turned off if they're affecting your performance. What are volumetric? Oh, volumetric. Never mind. You can hear me now. Stop. I can turn it up high, or I can slow it. Now you can hear me. Now you can hear me. Oh, there we go. Has it been ready? Why am I wearing Kobo clothes? Okay. Get up, man. Oh, never mind. Oh, so I was just making a fool of myself for a long time. Hey, you guys alright up there? Oh, it's tilting. Help. Why am I wearing Kobo clothes? Oh. Water? Water, yep. Do I move with WASD? How do I move? Okay, I move. Good. Wait, so. Oh, okay. Wrong way! Oh, you guys are. Oh, God. Jesus. Why is there. Is that a phone? Right? It's a flip phone? Nice.
I can't believe I'm going to say this, but this game right here is.
Where's the light? Oh, I think I see it. Is that it? Yep, it is. Get on it. What's happening? Why does it keep on doing this screen? Loading world. Loading yet again. Loading starting zone. Loading cleaning up. Loading, cleaning up, loading. Hey, yay! Wait, E to interact with stuff. Hold E. Wait, so press C to open the crafting menu. Okay. How do I just, okay, so, okay, that's good. I like these controls. I'm calm with them. So I'm guessing I have to get to that island, or that island? Yep. That island's closest. Go faster. Come on, man. Come on. Aren't there supposed to be sharks in this game? Because, I mean, I'm not seeing any sharks around me.
I didn't even move, guys. That was this guy's own malfunction. So, okay, programming has gone further, where this guy is literally living. There are many things I'll take responsibility for, but this sexy hiking dude, like, nah, he's on his own lane here.
Faster.
Oh, no, what?
This takes so freaking long. Is Subnautica like a newer version of this? Like, is it kind of like, I don't know, like a evolved, like Ark Survival Evolved kind of thing, where it evolves and stuff? Because I mean, it kind of is, because I don't know. I just feel like it is. Why does this take so long? The plan, bro. Everything is awesome when you're a panda. Hopefully this is the right island. I hope. I see a sunken ship. What is that? Is that a toilet? Oh, no, it's not a toilet at all. What is that? Oh. It's definitely not a toilet. Wait. Get it on the shore, so just in case waves pick up and stuff. I can't think of the name right now. Okay. Come on, man. Okay, get off. Get off. Okay. Wait, can I drag it too? Dang it. Hold E to get out. Can I? If I hold the rope? No, I can't. No, what the heck? Just. Come on, man. We'll jump to climb. Oh. Oh, so I can jump. Okay, that's good. What's this? Oh. Okay, so it's E to pick up stuff. Press C to open the crafting menu. Oh, yes. This is cool. What's a kindling? A lashing, cloth, leather. Ooh, I want that knife and an axe. A stone tool. Give me 2 rocks, okay. What is this? Tarp? Thanks. Wait, tab. Okay, so I can hold all this stuff. Okay, there we go. Empty hands. Wait. Craft a stone tool. Ow, what? Ow! Jeez. Come on, man. E. E. C. That crab. I hate that crab. Craft a refined knife. How do you do that? Okay, twig and lashing? Is that lashing? Yeah, lashing. How do I get lashing? I'm pretty sure I know how, but I don't. Stupid things. I'm pretty sure this is how you get lashing. You like cut stuff. Is that what? I don't know. I don't know survival stuff, okay, guys? Don't blame me. Empty hands. Can I? Is that how you get lashing? No. What is lashing? Did you just find it on the ground? Yuka?
Now, last episode we got introduced to all of the characters, I guess, at the Literature Club, and I didn't think I'd get this much into this game, but I kind of am by this point. It's too late to turn back, guys. There's a lot.
I'm pressing.
Usual disclaimers. There may be
How?
something in this episode that some could consider disturbing. At least it gives that as like a synopsis. So I'm gonna say that at the start. Secondly, for this game, all these choices are gonna be my own, guys. I'm not following any rule book because I don't see the point in spoiling.
No, get away. I want to pick you up. Can I pick him up? No, no, get away, get away. Help!
We ended last time and we were just about to film, I guess, our next day's poem.
Give me that. Okay, I found a twig. Thank you.
Let's go, I guess, fantasy for that one again. Vibrant seems pretty cool. Alright, let's keep this moving.
Where is lashing?
Holiday, excitement. That's another good one.
I'll pick another stick up, sure.
Playground sounds cool to me. Let's then go for.
Get out of here. I don't like you. Oh my god.
Eternity, and then last but not least, let's go for daydream. I mean, daydreaming is.
Where the heck is it?
Another day passes, and it's time for the club meeting already. I mean, this dude's probably so happy by this point. I've gotten a little more comfortable here over the past couple of days.
I need to find water.
Sarah is right there.
Water. Look over here.
I think so. I'm just still not used to you being in a club. That's all. That's a pretty simple thing to get you in a
Water. How do I open my... Oh, there we go. A watch. Okay. Okay. So how do I get food?
I have my reason. Why don't we take a look at your purse, say?
What is all this? Okay.
Wait, hold on. What's going on? No reason.
I need to find something to eat. I'm so weak. And you need water? How do you get water?
She turns it upside down and lets the contents spill onto the deck.
Is this waterproof?
I can see right through you, Sayori. That's not fair. How did you even know?
Drink water, okay? Are you drinking? Did he drink water? Oh my god, how do I drink water? Don't make me feel guilty. If you feel guilty, that means you deserve to lose. Let's sit down right now. Yuri suddenly giggles. Huh? I didn't notice that she was listening in. Yeah, I can't. I don't know how. How do you get lashing? And what is lashing? Does it come from this? Wait, I can climb. It doesn't happen much, but it's a fun side hub. There's no way you could think. Oh. Sit up here. Oh, did she say retribution? Still coming from you, sorry. I guess there's a little devil inside of us all, isn't there? Can I get all the way up? No. Whoa, look at my shadow. Climb, climb, climb. Wait, oh, I just picked something up. Oh my god. I feel so freaking stupid. Oh god. Options. There are no options. Oh, there they are. I bit my tongue. Oh, that's not funny. You're going through a lot over just one cookie. Nazumi takes a bite of her own cookie. Yours looks really good too. Language English. Game mode. Builder. Survivor. Normal. What is builder? What's that noise? Oh god. Okay, get out. Yes. Save those. Okay. Nothing? Nothing? Okay, good. How? The freak? How do I? Sorry, I'm super sorry. There you are. I didn't mean to be late. I hope you guys
chose to fuck over her boyfriend after all. You're so strong-willed. Boyfriend? What on earth are you talking about?
Hold on, I need to do some research. Okay, just wait there for a second.
Well, my last period
Wait right there.
Still studying, I'm guessing. That makes no sense, though. You have heard the Valerie at least. I must not have heard it. Since I was practicing piano. She looks kind of like she's
Hopefully.
playing that expression right there. Piano? I wasn't aware you played music as well, Monica. I don't really.
Here's a screen to look at.
Why is she telling a lot of corkers right now? I've always wanted
Here.
to play piano. That's so
Here's this to look at.
That sounds pretty cool. I also look forward to that. Is that so? In that case, I won't let you down, right? Oh, okay, Monica Smart Sweet. Sleeping those girls away, like you already know. I've been practicing the whole
Okay,
day,
okay.
I've really let the chance to share it once I'm ready. I see. In that case, best of luck. Thank you. We didn't tell Monica anything about Sarah's mischievous stuff that was going on. Wanted to keep that down. I'm sure that's anyway. It looks like everyone has already settled down.
Just keep on looking at that screen. Okay, okay. Okay. So,
I'm supposed to occupy myself with something literature related by myself like this. So we're not very good at this on our own. We ended up not reading, guys, because we're pretty tired. I closed my eyes.
lashing. What is this?
We're probably going to seem really lame compared to all the other clubs, though. Well, we can't give up. The festival is our chance to show everyone what literature is all about. The problem is that the
Lashing
is too dense and intellectual.
in
You know? We just need a way of showing that to everyone. Something that speaks to their creativity.
stranded
No one will come in the first place because it's
deep.
important to figure out how we get people to show up in the first place, you know? And after they come,
How to get lashing. 37 seconds. Okay.
it's really seriously. It's rare to hear of a liberating.
Not
When was
this.
the last time something was so
You guys aren't gonna be able to hear this, but
What's up, guys? Master Corey here. Oh, throwing my axe. Gonna cover how to get lashing real quick. Every island has this that I've come across. If there's islands out there that don't have it, I've yet to see any. So you're gonna come up with this with a knife, machete, axe, whatever you have, and just hit it. Now, the great part about this
Wait,
thing
what?
is give it about 5 minutes.
how long
and
was
it will grow
was
back.
this made?
So,
Oh,
you get 2 lashing from
that's
each.
why.
And that covers.
You know what? I'll just have to find this out by myself.
Throwing the stuff on the ground. How about that?
You're gonna be stuck here with me. Sorry. Let me get rid of this. Remove. Yes.
Don't say that so loud. I glance over my shoulder.
Stranded deep. Can you see it again?
I know.
Yes, I'm pretty sure.
It's what I do best.
Hopefully, maybe. I don't know. Okay. So, I need to go up to a yucca. Are you a yucca? No.
So, how many days this past week have you gone up?
Young palm tree. Yucca, where are you? And he just said, like, punch it. I don't know. He just said hit it with whatever you got. So weird, but I mean, if it, I mean, I don't know. Where even is a yucca? I can't even find it. Is it like a new? Is that his old, an old version? Cause what's this? Aloe vera? Aloe vera? No, that's for medicine. I'm pretty sure. Yucca, please. No, no yucca. Yucca, please. Where is a freaking yucca? I saw one, didn't I? Does this island not have one? Come on, man. Okay, I'll go to a different island. Come on. Away to lashing. Oh, I just saw a shark. Run, run, run. Go, go, go. Fast, fast, fast. I hear music. I don't like this. Please don't be night. Please, 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 please. Please don't turn night. Is that how you paddle, man? Is it? It's like lifting up the raft. If you could from the inside, this is how it looks. It's behind me, isn't it? I'm scared.
Well, maybe that's why. Are you sure you don't like it just because I wrote it? Huh? Well, I'm sure that's part of it. I think I understand you better than a lot of people, you know? So when I read your poem,
Go!
it's a Ryan poem, and that makes it feel extra special. Sari hugs the sheet against her chest. You're so weird, Sari, but it's kind of sweet, really, isn't it? Well, I'm not very good at figuring out if poems are good or bad, but that's why I just go by my heart.
So, I swear, if this doesn't have a Yuka, I'm gonna be so mad.
Why don't you at least try giving us bits of fun? Oh, you want to write something for me? That's so sweet. Yeah, right. You need to think about yourself, Constable. If you don't, you might end up getting hurt. I don't really know what you mean, but I'll try and keep that in mind. I guess I like happy poems. Wait, sometimes I like sad poems too. Sometimes a little bit of both. There's a word for it, right? Bitter and sweet. I guess that is a pretty good definition. That's the word. Sometimes when you have a little rain
Craft a refined knife. Where did the freaking plane? No, I see you, Moon.
It is? Maybe I'm getting better at
Go faster.
Alright, now we're gonna go and read Sari's poem.
The moon's rising. Come on, man, go fast.
Nice. Little balls of sunshine, all rubbing together like a bundle of kittens. I reach inside
Freak.
and start walking out.
I'm so far still.
Time to wait. I put it in a little
This is how fast I swim.
on the shelf with all the other ones. Happy thoughts.
If this was going 10 times
My collection is
slower, that's how fast I swim.
sometimes
I don't like swimming that much.
all to say today. Night after night, more dreams.
I see a bunch of jaws.
Discovering the secrets hiding in the nooks and crannies. Digging in, digging.
Oh,
I've blown dust on my bottle caps. It doesn't feel like time elapsed. My empty shell produced something. My friends
help, 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 help.
in they come in such a hurry.
Keep on, keep on going, keep on going.
Frantically pull them from the shelf one after the other, putting them out to each and every bottle. But every time I let one go, it shatters against the target of my feet. Happy thoughts, happy thoughts, happy thoughts, and shards all over the floor.
Okay, that's good.
For my friends, my friends who aren't smiling. They're all shouting
Come on.
something, but all I hear is echo.
I'm hoping for a Yuka on this island. Young palm tree.
How she
Ow, what the heck, man? Get away from me, you stupid crab. I hate them so much.
I mean, come on, Sarah. You gotta save some of those happy thoughts for your
Oh,
Holy crap, Sarah, did you really write this?
what is this?
Of course I did.
Minnable resource.
Poem? Yeah, but I mean, I didn't expect something like this coming from you. Monica told me
I can't pick it up.
I've been recently in touch with my feelings.
Okay.
It's always kind of killed me. Well,
Oh, mineable resource, not minnable.
being cheerful. Well, never mind. I'm thinking too hard about it. Sayori's always had a habit of
Mm.
I wonder if this is one of those times. Seeing the passion in her eyes.
Do I just go up to something, then go like this?
I mean, that was a pretty good story. Yuri, let's see what you got. Alright, the chicken, let's see what I've written.
No, I can't go like
Were you
this.
influenced by seeing everyone's writing
So.
styles yesterday? I guess you could say that. I was also a bit surprised by how differently everyone writes, so I respect you for trying new things. Thank you. Don't feel like you need to work.
Okay, that's how I throw stuff.
Try letting your mind wander through your feelings
Okay.
and write down the things you see and hear. That's one way to truly enable your reader to see into your mind. It's a very intimate exercise. I don't know why I'm being so creepy all the time. I'm seriously being weird. I have an example of that.
What is that?
To read, of course.
What?
Your nights and Timothy hands me a book. The raccoon. It happened in the dead of night while I was slicing bread for a
Oh, that's a little pig!
caught by the scuttering of a raccoon outside.
Is it dangerous? Okay, no.
First time I noticed my storage tendencies as
That was a stupid question. Ignore that.
An ordinary human, as I say. I gave the raccoon a piece of bread. My subconscious well aware of the consequences. Well aware that a raccoon
What is that?
will always come back for more. The entire
Boy balls? Boy balls?
the bread, my hungry
Boy balls?
was, oh no, where's this going? The moon increments his face and reflects that much more.
How do I get up?
by cutting that.
Hello? Hello there.
The light that glistens in my eyes of my raccoon. I slice the bread, fresh and soft. The raccoon becomes excited, or perhaps
Off topic. Off topic. Come on.
The raccoon is taking
I saw a Yuka earlier, didn't I?
The raccoon becomes hungry more and more.
I'm I'm pretty sure I did, but
Every time I brandish my cutting knife, the raccoon shows me its exact length. A rush of blood, classic. I don't know, additionally I slice the bread and I feed myself. Again, I was a little more daring with this one yesterday.
how do I hit stuff even?
I don't know if it's my fault, but I can't begin to imagine what this poem is about. That's right. It's a bit closer to my preferred writing style, using the poem as a canvas to express my vivid imagery and
not it.
emotions through that. Yeah, if I take that face value, then I can't even figure out what it is supposed to mean. I think it's something that different people can relate to in their own way. I wanted to express the way it feels for me to indulge in my more unusual hobbies. It's those sorts of things that I'm usually forced to keep to myself.
I need a wood stick
Because they're embarrassing.
and lashing. How do I make lashing? Or how do I get lashing?
Everyone has a little something. The best we can do is respect each other and our individualities. Couldn't have said it better myself.
Oh my god.
You already know I'm one of the last. Because I think she's written the best poem. There's not really any word.
Fibrous leaves? What's fibro? I don't know.
Anything that isn't a train wreck, I'll take as a win.
All I know is that I need leaves now. And I feel really stupid.
Recognizing my experience. Well then, keep practicing and maybe you'll be as good as me someday. Come to think of it, this kind of reminds me of Sarah's.
And here's the stupid freaking Yuka.
I guess if you've been friends with her for so long, on the same wavelength, but you never really
I hate Yukas so much. Wait, so how do I get the leaves? What kind of leaves again?
That was a little unnecessary. Think of it this way, if it weren't for me, she would probably just fly away like letting go of a balloon. You could
Get
still
in.
take care of
Okay,
each
there we
other in
go.
that own
What
way.
kind?
Whatever it is, I don't get it. Well, you don't need to. Alright, here's
Fibrous.
Amy likes spiders. You know what I heard about Amy? Amy likes spiders. Icky, wriggly, hairy, ugly spiders. That's why I'm not friends with her. Amy has a cute singing voice. I've heard her singing my favorite love song.
Oh.
Every time she rang the chorus, my heart would pound to the rhythm of the words. But she likes spiders. That's why I'm not friends with her. One time, I hurt my leg really bad. Amy helped me up and took me to the nurse. I try not to let her touch me. She likes spiders, so her hands are probably gross. That's why I'm not friends with Amy. Has a lot of friends. I always see her talk. She talks about spiders. What if her friend starts like spiders too? That's why I'm not. It doesn't matter if she likes other hobbies. It doesn't matter if she likes it private. It doesn't matter if it doesn't hurt anyone. It's gross. She's gross. The world is better off without spider legs. And I'm gonna tell everyone. Cool. Not bad, right? It's quite a bit longer than yesterday. I hope you
Give me the freaking thing! Just give it to me.
Sometimes you can explain complicated issues with much
Wait,
simpler analogies.
could
And
I-
it helps people realize how stupid they're being.
Wait,
Anyone
did I
who
just
is subject to this poem
do
is a
this?
complete jerk. Do you know people like that? It's about how everyone thinks that doesn't matter. It can be about anything. I wrote it so it's easily relatable. Everyone has some kind of weird hobby.
Okay.
Pleasure, something that you're
Did I
afraid
just grab
people
this?
find out that make fun of you or think less of you.
Could I just hit it, the Yuka with this now? Like he said,
So
ow.
why try and limit your vision?
I
That they should only
hate
do the same thing, otherwise
that
they're
freaking
considered not
thing
normal. Who cares what someone
so
likes? As long
much.
as they're not hurting anyone and it makes them happy, I think people really need to learn to respect others for liking weird things. It's so true.
What's that
Yuri wrote
noise?
something similar. Did you say Yuri? Yeah. She said her poem was about an amusing hobby of hers. I didn't really get it, but she said something similar to. I can't help but think like there was something to do with her. Like, at the end with the knife, did she like kill the raccoon or like eat the bread? So it's like the knife thing was leading to eating the bread, wasn't to eating the raccoon. I mean, it was pretty weird, so I wouldn't have to have some weird hobbies. Not that there's anything
No,
wrong with
not
that.
like that.
Oh,
Small pine tree. Oh,
did she write a book about being the kind of person
Oh,
that she is
I
kind of-
killed him. Yay, food.
In my writing, I want to make people think, not just feel. Remember that. All right.
Give me stupid leaves.
Tomorrow too, so look
That's all I want, man.
Should we pick next, huh?
How long does this have to take?
Hey, Ryan, how's the writing going? All right, I guess. I'll take that. As long as it's not going bad. Maybe soon you'll come up with a masterpiece. I wouldn't count on that. Want to share your poem that you wrote
Nothing?
today?
Wow.
Let's go for it. I like this one. It makes me think of something.
Could I go like this to this one, maybe?
So, you and Sarah are really good friends, right? I won't be surprised if you had those sorts
Die.
maybe they're
Ow.
friends, but Sarah and I
Oh,
are
there we go.
actually- Maybe there are also similarities, however. The way she talked about it sounds like the two of you really care about
I'm learning stuff, guys. I'm learning.
about me caring more for her, she cares more about me. That's the kind of vibe I get from
Eep.
your poem. You sure you're not reading
Eep.
into it too much?
Eep.
I could be. Oh gosh, I feel so much like yours. But in any case, Sarah's writing is kind of a gentle feel to it. I can tell that she likes to explore with emotions like happiness and sadness. Who knew that? So we're so happy that it really sad things too.
Finally,
That's totally
God.
expected. I mean, we've already mentioned, like, we've got to. I don't know how to say this. I feel like I'm maybe assuming stuff, but I'm still keeping a close watch on Sayori, just because
Oh.
there's some things to keep a close eye
Oh,
on. You guys may be
okay.
on the same wavelength. If it's your first playthrough, please don't spoil it though, regardless in the comments if I'm right or not. 'Cause I want to
Kill the
see myself.
Yuka.
You wanna read
Ooh,
my poem? I like
yeah.
the way this one turned out, so I hope you do too. Alright, bright, beautiful colours, flashing, expanding, heat, red,
Yes.
and endless of millions of noise. The noise, it won't stop. Violent, grating waveforms.
Finally.
Piercing.
Flashing, make that. Now I need a stick, which is easy to find. Right here.
Nothing yet. I'm watching.
Stick.
I'm super watching, guys. Like my eyes, you see them glancing over there? That's because it's
Okay.
more abstract than
Craft a
words.
campfire.
I guess it's just the
Where's
way
the
I-
campfire
I'm
at?
sorry
How
if
do I
you
make a
like it.
campfire?
No, I never said that. It's just a kind of thing I've never really seen before.
I don't know.
I kind of like playing with my space.
Campfire, where are
Seeing where an
you?
artificial was can totally change the
Kindling,
Fair point.
washing cloth, leather, crude axe, refined axe, refined, crude axe, refined pick, crude spear, fishing rod, crude hammer. How do I make a
Anyway,
freaking...
here's money kiss writing tip of the day. Sometimes you'll find yourself facing a difficult decision. When that happens, don't forget to save your game. In reality, like what she
This is getting too advanced.
You never know when something might happen.
So,
Wait, is this too? That's the first big.
sit in structures,
Okay. Now we see. That's my advice
fire
today.
pit, campfire. I just saw it. There we go.
Maybe, very
Okay, that's
long
easy.
time hit. Alright, I just saved my game. I'm gonna save it one more time. You know what? No. Too slow. We're all done reading each other's
Nope.
poems, right? I have something extra planned today, so
Give me that,
front room.
and give me...
Well, sort of.
Actually, I don't want that, but I just wanted to kill it so it doesn't kill me. I don't want that. Give me... Oh, I just passed one. That. This. One more. Anywhere? Oh, there. One more. Just so you don't kill me. Die. My aim sucks in video games. Mostly this one. Come on, man. Just die for me.
Well, I did. Do you really think it's a bad idea? It's not a bad idea, but I didn't
Hey,
see
I saw you.
There's no way I'm going to be performing in front of a group of people like that. I agree with that. Guys, no, Sarah. I understand where they're coming from. Remember that I'm simply going to have never shared their poems with anyone until a couple of days ago. It's a lot to ask for them to recite their poems out loud.
Hey, don't circle me.
I guess I kind of
Ow. Oh, I killed one. Get back here. Yeah. Don't mess with me. I'll just pick this up too.
And it's those reasons that we're all in this book today. We want to share that with others to inspire them to find the same things that brought you here.
I don't know why. Okay. There we go.
Sorry, looks worried. I guess that leaves me no choice. I
Okay.
agree. I don't think it's too much to
A
ask.
fire. Campfire. Okay.
Really hard to get new members. The least we can do is help them out a little bit. Well, maybe, but
Okay, holding to
see if you just have any
interact.
ideas left. Okay, fine. What about you, Yuri? She's the nurse.
How do I...
Yuri dejectedly.
Oh, I need more sticks to fire it up, probably.
I guess I don't
Wait, what do I have to craft? A kindling? What's a kindling? It's a tool, right? I'm pretty sure it is. Kindling, 2 sticks. I'm pretty sure I already have one, so just need one. Hopefully. Sticks. Anywhere. Sticks. Hello? Sticks. Hello? Oh, I just saw something. Oh. I guess. Oh, I just got on here. What's in there? Interact. Oh, okay. Console. Oh. Oh, there's a backpack in here. Is this what it has in it? Ooh, I need a stick. And I'll have... no, okay. And no, okay, no, okay. Okay, so this has some stuff in it. I need to drop some stuff. I have like a bunch, don't I? Yeah, 1 out of 4. Wait. Pew. There we go. Oh, you're dead, right? Yep. Okay. Go. Okay. So I just need some of these. This is what I need. No, I don't need that. Oh, it's already in my hands. Pew pew pew. Ba-da-bow.
In other words, I've seen part of yours where that sort of gentle delivery won't work as well. They might need a little bit more force behind it, depending on what you agree. Oh, I know what you mean. That's, well, I've been practicing that kind of thing. It's just embarrassing.
Yep.
Then next time, I'm going to make you pick a one that challenges you a little bit more. We don't have much time before the festival, you know?
This takes a little, but... One more? Yes. Okay. So, only 1 stick? No more? It turned into 1 stick. It was like huge. Come on.
Don't worry about it so much. I think it's less about your abilities and more about your lack of confidence in your right. That just leaves you.
One more? Dang it. One more? One more? One more? Okay. 2 more? 3 more? 1, 2, 3. 1 more? 2 more? 3 more? Dang it! Scared me actually. Oh god. Okay, so I have 2, I think. Kindling, there it is. Okay, use the kindling on the campfire to light it. Wait, what? Where did I plant the campfire? I'm just kidding. I keep on hearing the pig run around. I'm like, what is that? Oh yeah, I have a pig on this freaking island stuck with me. I didn't even know a pig could get on an island by itself. Use the kindling on the campfire. Oh, no, I didn't mean to, but okay. Pew. Rapidly press. Oh, okay. I just have to keep on pressing my mouse. Oh, there we go.
I was thinking about something from earlier. I like how we get to. I mean, Sarah struggles with the words. So let's just say that one day.
Ooh, I can skin a crab.
What would you do? What kind of question
Oh,
is that?
I don't. Actually, yeah, I'll keep that there. So when I'm.
I would walk home with Yuri. I would still walk home with Sarah.
Okay.
Man,
Get down. Okay.
I'm actually picking these and a lot of delay, and I think I'm gonna.
Oh, I didn't mean to do that, but sure. More the merry.
But she's so beautiful and smart. Jeez, I already see her.
We'll need a skin. Oh god.
I won't just ruin that for you.
Oh, gross.
Yeah, it's pretty gross.
Sorry. Besides, what's the point of speculating something that's never going to happen? The conversation trails.
Nope, I still need my knife. That's my knife. Give me it back. Nope, that's my knife. I keep on pressing the wrong button. Okay. Wait. Drop Q and drag them out. Okay. I'll carry. No, I didn't mean to freaking skin it again, but.
Oh, it's disgusting.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Oh yes, feather as well. Let's keep this moving. Firefly sounds pretty down the go. Now we're gonna go. I guess adventure sounds cool. I've done every single one, and I think Sayori is liking this. And we'll finish up finally with dreams.
Wait, can I hold it? Oh, that's how I.
Oh man, I'm the last one here again. Don't worry, I just looked at there's something going on, and Monica keeps coming in late every time. You practicing piano again? Yeah. She is not practicing piano at all, guys. I guess I have passion for doing both the club and also the piano. Remember that the club won't be here if it wasn't for all of you. And I'm super happy that you're all willing to help me out.
Is it cooked now? I can't see it.
For the festival. It's gonna be great.
I don't think it is. Wait. Is it?
Yeah, I'm not talking
Can I eat it now?
but it's a whole day of school where we get to play with
I'll just cook it more.
We sound a bit like Muriel. Let's just focus on our event now, okay? Where's Sarah? Oh, there you are. So wait, Sarah's sitting at a desk in the corner of the room, looking down on us. Hey, Sarah.
Drop it.
We're spacing out again. Yeah, sorry. Don't mind me.
Will it show cooked meat? Use a knife on a coconut to open it. Where's the coconut at? Is it up here?
You worry too much about me. I'm fine, see? Sorry shows me a big smile. Don't let me distract you from having fun with everyone. Okay, now this is an interesting day already. I've already glanced at Sarah before, turning back to what everyone else, but the conversation has already dispersed with everyone back in their usual activities. I should ask Monica if she knows anything about Sarah. Since they've been prepping the festival, they must be spending a lot of time. Hey, this might sound a little strange, but have you noticed anything special with Sarah? Is anything up with her? What way do you mean? Maybe I'm reading into it a little too much, but she's a little bit downcast today.
Wait, is that a coconut?
So, I can't
Is
say
that?
there's anything
I can't
about
see.
her.
Oh,
Okay. Maybe there is something on it.
is that a coconut? I'm pretty sure it is. Yep, it is. Give me that coconut. Jump off, man. Nope, not like that.
So I'll drop it now. No, it's important to me too. I mean, I'm also friends with her, and I also care about the well-being of the club members, you know.
Okay, coconut.
Are you sure about that? She seemed like she
Drop it.
Are you sure? She just has a hard time being
Let it roll around. And got it. So this is how we drink and stuff, I'm guessing. Oh, is it cooked now? Cooked small meat. Yay. Num. Okay. Leave that there. Nope, ma'am. Come on.
Try not to think about it for now. I know she said forget about it, but I already know that I won't be able to get her words out of my head. When I just stands from the desk and watch her through West Harry City, I'll watch her kneel down next to Ferrari and gently she's keeping her voice.
Yay.
I can't hear it.
Nope.
I sigh,
You know what?
sit myself down. I know
Screw
Sarah's
it.
worry, but that's impossible to do when she's behaving just like this. Exactly how much do I care about her? That I
Oh.
down so much. Now if
I'm sad.
I'm behaving out of order,
I can't get it on.
why does it feel like I'm being watched?
Yeah. Wait, I have another one. Practice shelter to save your progress. I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna end this video here, guys. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Bye, guys.